What up guys, Eric here from Racing Ram Fam, and today we are going to be installing a trailer hitch on my 04 Ram srt10 Viper Power. But we are installing a curt 6,000 pound hitch. I got this kit off of Amazon for like 40 bucks. If you guys want to check that out, the link will be down in the description if you guys want to pick yourself up one of these curt trailer hitches to go on these Ram srt10s. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is take this little plate off, and we take these two screws out, and this plate should come right off. There's 3 of these weird rivet nut fasteners. This one I'm not gonna be able to get a screwdriver in, so what I'm gonna do, or try to do, is take this guy, my pick, you probably use a screwdriver too, and just kind of try to go under the head and like lift it up. So that's what so we cut the bottom of the rivet off. This should just boom. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop these lights out. I don't know if you guys can see that up there, right there. And you just take this metal clip off, and then you can pull the lights out. These license plate lights might be a little confusing, but this clip just snaps on like this. Just like that. And then you just think the bumper's in between here and here, and that's the spring that holds it on. So after you get your license plate lights out, the next thing you guys are going to do is take these 4 rib nuts out. Christmas tree rivets out. Again, sorry about that dirty truck. So if you get all 4 of your bolts out, you come over here and you lift straight up on it. You have to wiggle it so you can pull the bottom out, and then you pull straight up on it, and it comes right off. You can see the big ugly rusty rear bumper underneath this truck, underneath all this body paneling, all this nice shiny body paneling. Alright, so now that you're staring at this ugly bumper, we grab our hitch here. And it's bolted right there. And there's 2 bolts that go on the back side that you have to fish through. And that's it, so it's just 3 bolts. Alright, so here's all the hardware we have after reading the instructions. These are going to get tossed in the actual trailer hitch itself, which is down here, which is right here. So you guys are going to go through this hole right over here with that fishing line right there, and you're gonna come up through these holes right here. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually do the top bolt, so we have everything lined up so we can start tightening the bolts down. Now we're gonna build our fishing line bolts that we're gonna put through. So we're gonna take one of the metal plates and the carriage bolt, which fits nicely right there. We're going to take our fishing line, alright, so then this, our fishing line, you can see here, threads right onto the end of this, and then you can run this up through that hole and through the hole in the back and pull it through. And then you have to carefully start the bolt after you take the line off. There it is. Yay. Boom. Get yourself a pick. $1.99 at Harbor Freight. Alright, so yeah guys, that's how you install a trailer hitch onto a 2004 Dodge Ram srt10. I'm pretty sure 04 to 06 quad cabs, single cabs will all be the same install procedure with this Curt trailer hitch. If you guys want to get one of these Curt trailer hitches, check out the Amazon link below. I have it right there. That does help me if you guys buy it through that link. It doesn't cost any more money. It just shows an Amazon affiliation, so it gives me a little bit of money. Helps the channel, and I'd be very appreciative if you guys do that. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped you install a trailer hitch again into your 2004 Dodge Ram srt10. Venom is going to the track soon, so we'll see you guys in another video very soon. But as always, keep it boosted, and we'll see you guys in the next video.